Hello, my name is Juliet Guinea. I am 22 years old and was born in La Dorada Caldas. When I was 2 years old and moved to Ibagué and living there since 10. The best trip in ever have was on my last vacation where went to Cartagena from the first time. It was special because it was my first time flying on an airplane. it was my first time traveling with boyfriend, and I was the best experience of my life. Cartagena is beautiful, and I have plenty of good memories there. The best place in Cartagena was the beach at Barú. Also, the food was magazine, and my favorite was cazuelas de mariscos. Okay, the weather is the climate of Cartagena of sometimes very uncertain signs. Sometimes it is sometimes bipolar. I love some days anyway. Thank you very much.